Here's another tip for you if you're using Tinkercad. The situation that I'm in, as you see on the screen here, is that I've angled this, and if I try to extend it, what I want it to do is grow longer in this direction. And if I try to extend it, you can see it gets out of alignment, and that's not acceptable. So, and if you're like me and you're new to Tinkercad, you might have thought this workplane tool was not all that useful. I didn't. I tended not to use it at first, but uh, this hopefully this example of how useful it is will impact you in a way that you'll realize the value. So what I've done is I've basically dragged a temporary work plane, and if you set it along the edge here, then all of a sudden the behavior of this is exactly what you want. It extends it out in that direction instead of getting all crooked like it was before. So there you go. That's a super simple but valuable tip.